Hey there, thanks for watching my View to Profit review by Billy Darr, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself. We're going to research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what View to Profit promises us. This is new. It's so easy, it's like taking candy from a kid. This is going to be the world's first earn per view app that pays them $5.50 per view over and over every 60 seconds without videos, tech skills, a list, funnels, or extra costs. As we scroll down, we've got the typical copy and paste proof of sales. You never really know where these come from. And I always have to check out the testimonials. Speaking of copy and pasting, it looks like this one actually came from his Magic product that he launched back in July. And Andrew J. is also glad he found Magic. If we take a look at that sales page for Magic, all the way down where the testimonials are, you can see these have just been copy and pasted. And they didn't even bother to change these out for View to Profit for the new product. Here we are on the View to Profit dashboard. The minute I came in, I knew I had seen something extremely similar to this before. And then I realized that I'd seen this little Pac-Man looking avatar. If we take a look at Vertex by Mosh Bari back in July, this is the exact same product down to the avatar. So now we know that the first thing they don't tell us but should is that this is the 5th version of a similar product with all of the same templates in here. So these will not be unique because there are thousands of people already using them. You always want to come down and go into your training, and they currently do not have training in here, but that's okay because like I said, I've already seen this before. But because the training isn't in here, the second thing they don't tell you but should is anything about a strategy. So with no training, the only thing you would know to do is to come in here and make one of these videos and then share it. They don't tell you how to monetize this, if you should, or how. They don't mention that the demographics are going to be different for each one of these platforms, so you probably shouldn't send the same story or video to all of them. They should be tweaked for each individual platform. So let's take a look at some of the templates. These are not unique. They've been in all of these previous 5 versions plus some. And every time you come in here, the sizing is off. You can't move this box to see anything. You can't zoom in or out. It's just really weird and it's going to be difficult to work with because you can't get it centered. I am extremely clumsy. I make a ton of mistakes. There's no back button. So if you get halfway through this and you delete something, you can't just undo it and go back. You actually would have to start all over or go hunting for what that was you deleted. So because there's no training in here, you may not know that you would want to put an affiliate link in here. Oftentimes you'll do that by highlighting a word and then adding a URL to it, but they do not give you that capability in this. So you wouldn't even be able to monetize this ad. Once you've gone through the headache of trying to make this your own, if you are finally happy with it, you would save. You could download if you would like. I've had problems downloading in the past, and sometimes you just have to disable the pop-up blocker. And that's going to take you back into the dashboard. Once you've saved, your stories will live in My Stories, but you don't have the opportunity to name them. So you'll have to remember which one is which coming through here. Even if you click the edit, it just takes you back into the graphics designer. So that's going to be a lot of work trying to go back through these videos if you need to find one. But here's the number 3 thing they don't tell you but should. There's a product out called Canva. It's on canva.com. It is free to use. If you come in here to social media, these are all of the same posts that you could do in View to Profit, and all of this is free. If these sizes don't work for you, you can come in and custom size, and once you've gone through and created it, if you click the 3 buttons at the top, you can automatically share this out to your social accounts. Also, while you're in here, if you did want to change your text into an affiliate link, you would come up to the other 3 dots, click the link and enter your URL. If anybody clicked on this word, it would take them to that, which could be your affiliate product to promote, your opt-in form, your website, or wherever else you would like to drive traffic to help you make money for your business. If I make a mistake, there is a back button. I can undo what I did, and I need that a lot. Back on the dashboard, they do give us an option to share stories. And here we go again with all of the social media sharing options. If you were to make one of these stories and send it out on your Twitter account, who would get that? Would that go to your friends and family, or would that go to people that want to buy product recommendations for you because they trust you? These product vendors know that you don't have a huge list right now as a newbie affiliate marketer. So you can bet that they know that this is not going to get you any extra traffic, leads, or sales. Some of these don't even work. If we click on Dig, some of these don't make sense. Nextdoor is a local community app. I don't know that I would send this to my neighbors. So they really are just packing this full to tell you that they're giving you something they are not. This is the fourth thing that they should have told you before you buy this product. They also try to give you a 10K leads section. You're supposed to be able to come in here and search a topic, click get leads, and then it gives you this list of email addresses. And this list is the same list they will give anybody who bought this product that puts in affiliate marketing. These poor email addresses have no idea what's coming for them. The third option they try to give you to share this out is autopilot blogging. If we take a look at this link, it's a 404 file not found. So that's not going to be any good to send to your blog. If you were to click through, you would give it a title. You would be able to add more information. Next, you would put in your blog URL, your username, and your password, which means now View to Profit has your blog username and password. Are you comfortable with that? The other three options that show up in here really are just extra. They give you a hashtag finder. You would type in the topic you're interested in and analyze, but all that does is send you back a bunch of hashtags. And this is the number 5 thing they don't tell you. They don't tell you where they got these from. They don't tell you which ones rank higher. They don't tell you any information around these hashtags. So you're gonna have to go to the platform you plan to share this on and check Facebook hashtags, check Twitter hashtags, check WhatsApp, check Pinterest. You're going to have to check them separately because each one of them have different ones trending at different times. And the same thing with the keyword research. When you type in your topic and analyze, it does send you back information, but it doesn't tell you how relevant it is. Now, they do tell you this one came from Google, this one came from Yahoo, but they don't tell you how relevant it is or what's important about it for that platform. Link cloaking, that's something you can do for free. They actually just use Bitly with this. If you put in a link and have them analyze it, here's the short version. And again, it's just Bitly. You can do that for free on your own. And guys, that is the View to Profit dashboard. Again, about the 5th time I've seen a product that does this function or something similar, all with the same issues as far as the sizing on the actual graphics go, all with the same templates. So let's look at the pricing that they want you to pay for this 5th generation product. They tell you that this is $1 million sales funnel with over $1 million through their funnels from January 2021 to August 2021. Somehow that's going to guarantee you a giant payday. On the front end, this product is going to be $17. Upsell number 1 is going to run you $39. That's going to be the unlimited edition, and it says it comes with extra tutorials. I would like any tutorials. I don't think you should have to pay another $40 to actually get trained on a product you purchased. Upsell number 2 is $197, but I've seen it elsewhere for $297. This is going to be the done for you edition. Upsell number 3 is going to be $39. This is the automated edition where everything's just going to be automated for you, which just doesn't make any sense. Upsell number 4 is the done for you templates club. Here it is showing as $197. I have seen it elsewhere for $39. So there's quite a few discrepancies in the prices that I've seen on this. Upsell number 5 is your 50 times click and go campaigns. And that one is also going to be $39. All total, View to Profit is going to run you anywhere from $526 and up. So back on the sales page, we know this isn't new. This is also not even the world's first. This is the 2nd exact product like this, and the 5th version that has all of the same functions. Without videos, but all of those templates were stories, so they should be videos. You don't need a list. But who are you going to send this to on all those social options? Or are you just going to use that list of burned emails, the same list that everybody that buys this product is going to get? Guys, please don't waste your time or your money on View to Profit. I hope this View to Profit review answered all of your questions. If you are looking for honest training and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.